Hey guys, welcome to the workout today. We're going to go a 5-minute full body dumbbell workout. So we're just going to start with holding the dumbbells at our sides and we're just going to do squats, okay? We're just coming down to about 90 degrees. We're staying nice and tall as we come down, shoulders back, okay? And we're just doing them slow and controlled. We're going to exhale as we come up. All right, 10 reps there. Good job, guys. Okay, next we're going into explosive upright rows. See how I'm exploding up with the weight and I'm also kind of jumping it up and pushing my feet out as I come up. Okay, this is an explosive upright row for 10 reps. All right, good job. Next, we're going into a renegade row. We're going to get on the ground. We're going to get into a push-up position. We're going to push up and then row one of the dumbbells up. And then push up and then row the other dumbbell up. Okay, we're just alternating which hand is rowing up the dumbbell each time we come up. All right, good job, guys. Way to work. This one is a challenging one if you haven't done these before. You have to really stabilize in that core as well. All right, next we're going into a shoulder press, and this one I'm just changing it up a little bit. I'm having you sit on the ground with your legs spread out so that your core will have to work a little bit harder, okay? And you're just pressing that weight up. You're going to exhale every time you come up and keep that core tight when you're doing these. All right, good job, everyone. Okay, now we're going to stand back up and we're going to do deadlifts here. So I want your legs straight, but I don't want your knees locked out. I just want what we call a soft knee. So you just have a little tiny bend in that knee and you're keeping those dumbbells as close to your legs as you can. You're just going to come up, come down, and then as you come up, you're going to exhale, okay? You're just coming down as low as you can and then coming back up. Keep that back nice and straight, chest out. All right, good job, everyone. Way to work. All right, just 10 reps on pretty much everything today. All right, we're doing bent over rows now, okay? So same thing, my back is straight and I'm just rowing up, okay? All right, 10 reps on there. And now we're gonna go back down to the ground. We're gonna do a chest press. So my elbows are going to come down and touch the ground, and then I'm just going to press back up, okay, for 10 reps. And when I push up, I want to exhale. All right, we're working the chest here. All right, good job, guys. Perfect. So now for the next one, we're going to stay on the ground here and we're going to go into leg raises. So I'm just holding those dumbbells straight up, okay? And I'm just coming up and down with my straight legs, okay? We're getting abs on this. And keep that core tight. Really flex your abs as you're doing this one. All right, good job, guys. Just 10 reps here. We're going to exhale as your legs come down. And exhale down. Good. All right, good job, everyone. Way to work. Perfect. Okay, next we're going to still be on the ground. We're going to do skull crushers. So we're working the triceps here, the back of the arms. So I'm just keeping my elbows high and letting my hands fall down next to my ears with those dumbbells. And then I'm just going to press back up. And every time I press back up, I'm going to exhale. All right, perfect, everyone. Just 10 reps here as usual. Good job. I made everything 10 reps just to make it kind of simple for today. Next, we're going to sit-ups. Okay, so you're holding one dumbbell in your hand. You're going to come back, reach all the way back behind your head, make yourself nice and long, and then you're going to come up. You're going to power up as you come up and make sure that dumbbell comes right in between your legs. Okay, we're going for 10 reps on this one as well. We're going to exhale every time we come up. All right, good job. Way to work the abs here on this. Okay, next we're going to a calf raise. I'm just holding those dumbbells at my side and I'm just going up on my tippy toes for 10 reps. Okay, no biggie, just these should be relatively easy. And then followed by a hammer curl. Okay, so we're holding those dumbbells like the way we would hold a hammer, and we're just angling them in a little bit, coming up, working the biceps. Every time we come up, we're going to exhale. We're going 10 reps on each arm, okay? So it's kind of like we're doing 20 total reps, but we're going 10 on each arm. All right, perfect, guys. Next, we're just going to hold the dumbbells at our side and do a shrug. And when you shrug up, I want you to just hold it for a couple seconds, okay? So shrug, hold, shrug, down. Good. Shrug, hold, down. Shrug, hold, down. Good. All right, good job, everyone. 10 reps on that also. Perfect. That's our workout today. Go out and make it a great day.